Alright guys, so let's get to it. This is how it looks before my hair is naturally air dried. Little disclaimer, I do have 2 tape-in extensions. I recently cut my bangs and I was tired of how short they were. So I have 2 tape-in sandwiches just to add some length. I turn around to show you guys how I work my way from the bottom to the top. And I start off by sectioning my hair. And then I make sure that the first weft, which has 3 clips, fits the width of my head. Since my hair is very fine and gets oily throughout the day, I make sure to tease the hair, spray some hairspray, allow the hairspray to dry for a few seconds. Something I've learned throughout the years is to not clip the clip directly onto your root. I like to leave some space in between because once my head starts getting hot throughout the day, I don't want the clip to get hot as well. Now I continue on to the second sectioning. Since this is the widest part of my head, I make sure I grab the widest weft, which is the one with 4 clips, and I make sure it fits onto the width of my head. After I measured the weft, I go ahead and tease the 4 sections where the clips will be clipped onto and continue the same process. The next section that I'm working on is on my sides. I go 1 inch to 1.5 inches higher than my ears, depending on where I'm going to be parting my hair that day. On the sides of my head, I will be using the weft with the 2 clips, and here I am teasing so that the clips can get clipped onto, but before that I apply some hairspray. Notice how I clip 1/2 inch away from the root to the clip. That does not apply to the clips around the hairline. I like to get as close as possible because I do not want it to be noticeable if there's some wind or if I want to tuck in the hair behind my ear. I like to tuck the extensions a little bit just to make sure that they are on securely. If I feel like they are not secured enough, I would go in and tease a bit more. After I do the sides, I let my hair down and I comb it through. I still need 1 more section, which will be on the back. If I didn't add the last section on top, it would be very noticeable that my hair is a lot shorter than the extension. But also, putting on the last weft of extension is a bit tricky for me because the thinnest hair is on my crown. So I cannot go any higher than what you see right now. I make sure that the weft is wide enough for my sectioning. I tease and hairspray just like I've done before. I then proceed to curl both my hair and extensions together for a better blend. Alright, this is how my hair looks after I've curled it. I hope you guys found it easy to follow along. Hopefully my technique helps you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching.